Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today I'm so excited to announce the new addition to our company, and that is the 850 School of Credit. Okay, now with the 850 School of Credit, we won't just be going over credit topics like the YouTube channel, okay, which by the way, the YouTube channel is going nowhere. It's still going to be here. You guys are still going to get great videos, great content, and so forth. If you guys remember the 850 Elites, we're actually going to merge the two, okay? The 850 Club Elite was a group that we had of high credit score individuals, and we had, high credit score topics. We talked about high limit credit cards, we talked about rental property ownership, and this is more than just, 5-minute videos and things of that sort, which I'll explain in a hot second. But we merged the two because, to be honest, a lot of people felt left out, and that's why we're merging everything together. So if you want extended information, extended education, this is a school for you. As I mentioned, we won't just be talking about credit. We're going to go over finances, and we're also going to go over business as well too. Now, of course, we'll throw some business credit topics in there, courses I should say, in there as well. But as far as business goes, we're going to talk about how to build a business, how to create, a great structure for your business, how to make 6 figures in your business. We're going to go into a lot of different things that we learned as a company. And again, these same exact principles with credit, with finance and business, we want to share with you all. And we want to share it the right way and kick this off the right way. All right. So what does that mean? That means our first lesson of our first course will be absolutely free. That's right. You guys know how we do it. Most of our material course on YouTube is always free, and we're going to keep it like that. But again, if you're looking for an extended version, extended knowledge of information that we're going to be giving, you're going to want to pay attention here closely. Okay. So the first course that we're going to kick off with the 850 School of Credit is going to be how to take the limitations off of your credit score in 2019. Okay, no limitations. We're now going to make sure everyone knows how to improve their credit score in 2019, and it's going to be broken down into 5 different lessons. Okay, the first lesson is going to be free. Now, for this course and courses to follow, you're going to have 3 ways that you guys can pay. All right, so way number 1 is going to be an a la carte service. What does that mean? That means that if you see a course that you want to purchase and it's just one course, you can purchase every single course that you want individually. Okay, so that's way number 1. Way number 2 is that you can become a lifelong member. A lifelong member means that you pay a one-time price. Okay, it's going to be affordable, don't worry. And then of course, every single course that we come out with, you'll have access to it for life. That's a lifelong member one-time fee. And then you have number 3, where you can have a monthly payment where it's again extremely affordable. You'll have access to all the courses that we come out with every time they come out, and of course every previous course that we come out with as well. Okay, so again, we want to make sure that everyone has an equal opportunity to be a part of the new 850 School of Credit, which is going to include finance and business topics as well too. Okay guys, so as always, if you like this video, like it. If there's someone that you want to share this video with, someone that you know has financial goals that they're looking to accomplish in 2019, make sure that you share this video with them. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.